News, my lovely, wonderful people. It's happening. It's really happening. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, is pleading with the National Assembly to approve his 17 billion naira, you know, um, funds for the FCT administration for 2024 budget. He wants them to approve 17 billion naira. This is what he wants. This is what he wants. And he's pleading with them because they are looking at it and trying to rationale if he really needs that kind of money and what he needs it for, all that and all that going on. And this is what he has to say. He's pleading with them. He said, no, the money is not that plenty now. It's only 17 billion. Please understand it. Let's see what we can do. He said, because he wants to build house for the the vice president and what have you, and much more he's asking, that they should do unto him. They should approve every money he's bringing on board. You see, so these are some of the things that are going on. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, has appealed, pleading with the National Assembly to approve the 17 billion naira appropriated for the FCT administration in 2024 budget. Wike made the appeal when he appeared before the Joint Senate and House of Representatives Committee on FCT in Abuja on Friday. He explained that 17.1 billion was allocated to the FCT administration, adding that the amount was allocated to complete abandoned projects and sustain the implementation of critical projects. He said that the amount 5 billion was allocated as a counterpart funding for the Greater Abuja Water Supply Project and 4.5 billion naira for the design and construction of Nigerian Cultural Center and Millennium Town Hall. He also said that 3 billion was allocated to the rehabilitation of the Federal Secretariat, while 4 billion was allocated to completion of the Vice President residence. This same Vice President resident that has caused an outrage because there is already a property for the Vice President of Nigeria where they've been living for a time now. The minister added that 609.7 million naira was budgeted for settlement of residential and official accommodation for the international organization in FCT. The money is just 17.1 billion naira, he said. So what can I say other than please help me pass it? The minister told the lawmakers, I need this money to complete the project. On the performance of 2023 budget, Wike said 15.5 billion naira was appropriated for infrastructural development, adding, however, that only 8 billion was released, representing 52%, and they suffered a great setback in all of this. Wike has appealed that the 17.1 billion budget emphasizing the need to complete projects that have been abandoned, adding that while the 52% released in 2023 budget for infrastructural development also need to be added so that he can adequately carry out all that he has proposed and planned for the FCT. So now the FCT minister now they talk so in na Nyesom Wike. He say we say he want I bet me the help he need help. He need help to complete, this project. He need help to carry on, and he needs to appear before the Senate and explain why he needs such an amount of money. The same outrage that Nigerians cried out to and say for now the vice president does not need a new home. When the time is right, he will get a new home. Wike damned everybody and has continued with the unfortunate clamor for the vice president home. He's rolling with the big boys. He wants to ensure that he gets their attention and get their sympathy. So at the end of the day, we'll say, not be small thing Wike do for me. One good turn, they say, deserves another. And that's why if you are a leader, and you're in certain position, you need to be careful the way you collect gift. Gift, as you dey collect gift, they affect things. You need to be careful. Collection of gift. Oh God, just bring this, can't give you. It will impair your judgment, because in the days to come, human being, they will expect what we call a reciprocal. When they now need a favor, they will expect that you will be what? Magnanimous enough to remember the day that you were thrown under the bus or in a deadly situation or position, and they came to your rescue and your aid. And at that time, your hands and feet will be tied to an extent that you will have not so much words to be able to say, I'm sorry, this and that, and you have no choice. But you will have to do some things that are not convenient, that are not right, because you have found yourself in a situation. So this is part of, the things that Nyesom Wike, the minister of the FCT, is doing. But again, let's go back to Wike and Fubara, because a lot of water has gone under the bridge in the last couple of days, to the extent now. Yesterday, we got a video. If you have not seen it, please go on Apple Line Media and see the video for yourself. Where Wike, beside him being a dictator, you're having a God complex, that is him taking the feeling that he's God, wants him to take the place of God. Part of the labels of the name now is that Wike is also called murderer. You hear her now, you hear it now, exactly, that name don't join. So when you are doing things, be careful. Somebody say careful, exactly. A lot of things are happening now, and Wike now is in the eye of the storm because of some of the decisions he has made in time past. Today, he wants the FCT, transformed in such a way that, by the time he's out of it, they say, Mr. Project, where men, want to get some things, acronyms tied to their names and labels, associated with them, that they did A, they did B. We need to be careful. Very, very careful. If we continue like this and we do not speak out, we'll be shocked and surprised by some of the things, that are happening in our nation. And every one of us, we need to rise up and ensure that the right things are done. Wake up, my people. It's the dawn of a new day. Wike, don't go beg, say where say, may they understand that, say all in need now, money to do projects, so nothing more, nothing there, so, do anything to anybody. Where we will keep you informed as the matter progresses. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. If Nigeria better, all of us now go enjoy them. So we need this country to be good. We need this country to be better, so that every one of us can truly enjoy, the dividends of a good nation of democracy. Bye for now.